the non-dominant hand.
Non-dominant hand.
This is our little story and a true, true thing. Two hearts come together in a mutual win. Keeping it together with a real life. Welcome to the family, this is our life. It's perfect. I'll just set you here for me. You're the sugar to my tea. Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning to you. And how do you do? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Big boy us.
Today's lockdown, so you can have a nice chilling with your sons.
Today is not a lockdown day, but I will be here chilling with my sons and doing some work. Sounds good?
Yeah, because it's lockdown.
These little critters came into my bed last night. So you see how well rested
He
they
came in
look?
first.
Was it? I feel like it was you first.
No, it wasn't.
So last night a friend of mine dropped off some homemade yogurt for us. She's given it to me before and it's actually really delicious and there are no preservatives, no sweeteners, no nothing in there, and the kids like yogurt and I use yogurt in my shakes. So she told me how to basically make more yogurt from that yogurt, and so I tried it last night. I remember my mom doing this as a kid too, but I think she had yogurt makers, I can't remember, and then her friend showed her how. Yeah, anyway, so this is plain yogurt made with 1% milk. I took basically 2 tablespoons of the yogurt she gave me. I boiled some milk, brought it down to warm, mixed it in, covered it in this container, covered it with a cloth and put it in the oven and let it sit overnight. So now we're gonna see. Did it set? Yes, it's set and it's set beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. So now it goes in the fridge to set up some more. It smells so good. Wow.
Good morning, MTM. 8 o'clock now, next morning, day 2 of getting the vaccine. No side effects or ill feelings to report on. So, feeling good.
Alright, MTM family. Today is the day. We're heading to the arena now so we can get our first dose of vaccine. So it's a good look, people. Right now, I don't know, I just believe that this is the best way for us to get this pandemic behind us and start living again, you know, in our normal way.
It's really a decision that we've made. We're not trying to tell anybody, as we've said many times, to do it.
Yeah.
We have thought about this for a long time. We have spoken about it for a long time.
Mm-hmm.
And so when the opportunity came up recently that they're doing a BLITZ now as well, we were like, you know what, maybe we should take advantage of that.
I'm tired. You know, I'm tired of RIP. I'm tired of condolences. I'm tired of, oh my God, I can't believe him now. Wow, that young guy or uncle, auntie, you know much people, week to week. I don't know if it's, I can't just me alone.
Yeah.
I can't just me alone.
Yeah.
Right? Friends, family, friends, auntie, uncle, cousin, relative, all kind of things. So, personally, I know the impact that COVID is having on our community, our communities, our society. And
it's not that we're doing this without
I just feel like it's my part to play.
Yeah. But I just want to be clear that it's not that we don't have our hesitations too. I'm sure like everybody else, we have our hesitations too, but we have to weigh things out all the time. But we're letting you know what we have decided to do, and that's just it. So
vlog life, people. Vlog life are the reality. Kaboom.
So we're inside. We just got one of these immunization cards filled out by a doctor, and now we are waiting to actually get jabbed. We're in a line, we're in rows in the United spaced out nicely, and nurses just come down with trolleys and then administer the vaccine. So far so good. It's comfortable, it's cool, and we have each other, which is nice. So that's it.
Export the non-dominant hand. Non-dominant hand.
Increased appetite,
What happened to me
or
first?
excessive sweating, itchy skin, or a rash. See after 72 hours of getting vaccinated,
You want another one?
there are changes in your heart.
That was so good, Jerry.
Or you begin to wheeze, there is swelling of the tongue or diarrhea.
That's why you forgot to get one patient.
After taking the vaccine, it is still important to wear your mask.
And the easiest injection never get in my life. Swear. 8 weeks time I come to you.
If you are not able to wash your hands, always use a hand sanitizer. For more information on the COVID-19 vaccine, visit www.gov.jn or contact 888.
So good so far. Yeah, I have some green planting in my kitchen. I'm gonna want them ripe up. So I'm gonna get to some. A long time I don't see me chef up nothing. Chef up a little porridge now morning. You see me? Yeah, cause MoMo request the peanut porridge for more long now. I know Mr. Chin here say me I do this, him I go find me all if I grill him there, I go drive come. So me I get to it. Hey! Hi Boozy! Hi Jojo! Hi! Hold on there. Oh, me I smell porridge in there and I me say me I go make porridge.
Sorry, somebody beat you to
At last request cornmeal porridge.
Cornmeal porridge?
Yes.
But so look how me have the green planting and the something.
You go and get the things.
No,
Rest of
you
things
do
and
not
porridge.
get any
Which rest of
parts
things?
for mine.
Coconut milk. You need coconut milk.
Coconut milk not there.
No.
Cheese and peas.
This looks so good.
So me never see coconut milk what there. What go on?
I use it up.
You know what?
We used rundown, we had rice and peas.
Yes.
Rotted cup.
So it finish.
So me I forgot get coconut milk. But me have everything else.
Yeah.
Cheese and peas. But you can't make again for today. May I just drink some of that porridge there.
Yeah.
But tomorrow morning you can do that.
But the planting good. I get ripe up. Look fairly green same way still.
How are you feeling today?
I'm good. I just tell them say day 2 and feeling good.
I haven't.
No
Hold on.
no symptoms.
Yeah, I'm feeling good too. The only thing I have is a little soreness.
You
around
can
the
feel
jaw.
it.
Like, yeah,
you can
nothing
feel
crazy.
it that you got it.
No headache.
Yeah.
No,
No headache, no fever, no nothing like that.
nothing. Fairly good night the first day. So praying that continues. Weird relief. That I wasn't expecting to feel like. I kind of feel relief. But I just want to say, and I'm sure you said it already, like anybody out there who's an anti-vaxxer, we respect you for your decisions. Please respect our decisions. We're not trying to, start this great big conversation about it. It's something that we decided to do for ourselves and our family. And that's that.
Yeah.
So let's just keep that in mind.
Yeah.
So Atlas has been writing us tickets all day. What was his ticket for again?
It was for Alexander and I made it into a ticket.
Okay, but why? Why did he ticket me? I can't remember. I know you ticketed Jackson for having too much cereal. Why did I get the ticket? I'm not sure. And now you're in here looking like you want to write me another ticket
Too
because
much phones.
we took it out of there a while ago. Too much phone. Okay, got it. Yeah, that's a good ticket to get. So write me up.
Here's the one.
Okay, you write me up and give me my ticket, sir.
I'm a police officer. Look at it. I'm a police officer.
Wait, you have something underneath the shirt?
Yeah. In my brief.
You have a pen and your ticket book?
Yes.
Enjoy this.
These.
What is it?
It's like a popcorn chip.
So police eat these things?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
I know police
It's
love
actually
donuts.
Atlas.
What? Police officer Atlas?
Yeah.
You sure you can get this, dude?
Yes. I'm sure. Thank you, Mrs.
So because I don't want no ticket from the police. So where you gone?
Where the man gone? Man, but him run gone for bowl. This something done there now on plastic something already. Sample man, you know. Anyway, what time now? Me forget ready because we have an interview to go to right now. You're back?
Yep.
With a twist hat.
Yes. You have to give me some of this now.
Police officer, you still strapped?
Yes.
Still have your book? Your body?
Daddy?
Alright.
Sure.
Alright guys, so I totally misjudged the time today because I was supposed to go to the supermarket just to get a few things, and I got there, I was like, hold on, if I do this I'm gonna be late for this interview because we're going to
Get up on daylight saving.
look, so going to Empress's show, and we're talking all things relationships, which I always find so funny because, you know, we're trying to figure it out like everybody else.
Yo.
This look kind of close, no? To a normal thing. What happened? Did it move it?
No, it just down more and need to come up.
Ah,
Yeah,
yeah. That's better.
that's a shot.
You're going with the glasses there, you feel like being
Nerdy!
spectacular.
Hey, which way for attack the approaches?
Boy, babe, tell you the truth, I
Cast
am
on
not
yourself.
even sure which way to go right now.
Yeah, facts is must be down there. So.
So, quick check-in, how you feeling?
You know, so me feel alright, me not tell a lie. I feel
too.
okay.
Me too, we just ate lunch.
Feel okay.
Took some more Panadol just in case. Drinking lots of water.
Yeah, because
That's
it's
it.
not, apparently it's not weird to feel a little
Weird,
weird.
yeah.
They advise to take Panadol and stuff every 6
Yeah.
hours.
I'm eating a few M&Ms, you know. It's kind of hard for it not to dominate our conversation today, right? Like, I feel like everybody I spoke to today was about vaccination. Don't
Yeah,
you?
yeah, it's a big deal. I want to tell you, say, I think they announced that they're not taking anybody else, and it's just after 12 now. Well, after 1 now, and from about an hour now, them say nobody else can come because down there full of.
I don't know, man. Like I said, our choice. We're not trying to tell anybody to do it.
Yeah,
It's what we chose to do.
Thank you for putting that out there.
That's not our thing.
Yeah.
And even last time, you know, when different media houses took Wayne's clip from our vlog and posted it up, like with no context or anything, like, and made it seem like people are saying, oh, he got paid to do it and all this stuff. Like, that would never happen, and we spoke about that before. But it's like, seriously, it's just his opinion and it's just his choice, and we're not trying to convince anybody. It's just his choice. And I'm gonna tell you the truth, when he did it, I'm not sure that I was on board then, you know. And then that's the other thing, like, sometimes in relationships one person is ready to do something and the other person isn't, and you just have to be like, okay, I may get there, I may not. And he fully supported my decision if I didn't want to, you know. So respect, you know.
And then how can I send my mother to go and take the vaccine? And then I'm here thinking, why, you know, me say to kill people. No, I would never advise her, you know.
Yeah.
So from my family, them start taking them. If I'm dirt, then I just dirt, you know.
Yeah. It just is one of those things that, you know, we'll never win the fight against people who really and truly believe that it is a bad decision. And so that's that, you know. So that's why everybody has to make a decision for themselves and go from there. M&M's with peanuts are the Wayne!
May I go, you know? Sorry for you, you know. You're trying to mash up my interview.
I'm gonna have to put one of those bleeps in, and the bleep will come out. Yes.
Yeah, I'm done till I already said the people and feel like a road rage me have, you know.
You kinda do.
No, I'm just trying to be on time for this appointment, this interview that we have.
Post-foot joke.
remind everybody to tune in to Wayne Marshall's catalog, Tammy's old catalog, and her new catalog, which is Everything Meet the Mitchells. And Wayne,
Big up to our Empress. Thank you for having us.
I love you, Tammy.
We
and
love
I
you
love
too.
you, Wayne. Thank you for being here.
Nationwide at top.
No, me
top
know.
YouTube.
Me know. Me feel
Diaspora,
excited.
Jamaica, everything.
Yeah.
Big up Cliff,
Yeah.
big up Kitty, big up the whole
Everybody.
team. Britney, everybody. The whole
Hey,
team.
Brittany,
We love you, Empress.
come on, you know.
You don't say really stay back. Okay, so that was so much fun. Now we are heading to just pick up a couple things at the supermarket. I told Wayne I have a very short list. Let me show you. Here we go. Told you, a short list. And what I'm gonna do is give Wayne the list because he seems to think that, you know, I'm like some kind of
Thank you.
just want to, you know, buy everything off of the supermarket
She
shelf.
have a short list on her list. Yeah.
It's short, Wayne. You know what our normal list look like?
No, but this is just ladies for you. If it's a man saying have a short list, I treat him the most upon it.
Well,
A short list for a woman is this.
it's me and MoMo made the list, so there you have it.
2 women together.
So we're gonna see if we can stick to the list. But every time I don't stick to the list, what is the consequence?
I don't know, but I can call you out.
I thought you were gonna do something fun, like every time you buy something outside the list, you have to kiss me or something.
Okay, that doesn't sound bad.
But you didn't
That
think
sound
of
bad.
it, so
No, but I like that one though. I like that one. Anything you pick up outside the list, you have to kiss me, and my type of kiss. And me dictate the kiss. The length of the kiss.
Ew.
You hear me say?
Ew.
Alright, people.
Right there in the supermarket?
Right there in the supermarket. Don't worry, she can stick to the list now.
He makes it seem like I don't like to kiss him. I love to kiss him. I just don't want to kiss him in public. I don't know
Watch
why.
the kiss when I have planned for you in the supermarket.
I'm not gonna buy anything over it.
Me tell you that, me tell you. No, sir, that did I go on.
Oh, our favorite parking space. Let's do it.
Well,
Right here.
we
Yeah.
can't go in
Yes,
for
yes,
the
yes,
front.
yes, yes. Oh, Wayne.
Come here.
Joke this.
Let's take out this thing from now, you know.
We need foil.
Start already, you know, people.
But I'm not getting it. I'm not getting anything.
Don't worry,
outside of
people.
the
I'm going to capture it. I'm not going to do it.
Look, this is snacks. It's a
If
snacks
it not
for the
happen
boys.
for MTM camera, it not happen at all here. So don't worry.
Snacks.
Snacks up on the list. We now go.
Snacks is on the list.
Snacks on the list. See me have the list here. Don't worry about it, people. Anything outside the list is a kiss.
I'm not doing it.
Now watch her though. Now watch her like a hawk, MTM. Don't worry about it. But wow, that looks. She can't help herself, people. Just watch this.
I really
I hope we wait till we reach the crowded part of the supermarket too.
add something to
People, she don't know what to do with herself.
How do they know?
She a itch people.
They gotta know. Sorry, hold on.
Parish Depani. It's a list item, these people. May I watch her like a hawk.
Everybody's gonna be like, why don't you just make the cornmeal part from scratch? Yes, when you come make it every day from scratch.
We did it from scratch today.
Yeah, but not every day. The boys love this one. Alright. Okay, what about this? You need ginger tea. You need ginger tea.
Me need ginger tea,
It's
but
not
I
on
yeah,
the
pick
list.
it up.
It's not on
Alright,
the
yeah,
list, so
please.
guess what? Gas.
Come on. See the first kiss. I pick it up now.
No, it's gas. It's gas.
Pick it up now.
Let's pick into the list. If you need something that's not on
Me
the list,
can pick up
guess
something,
what?
people.
If you need something on the list that's not on the list, sorry, you have to watch a
Alright,
Netflix
ginger
show with
tea
me.
and mine. Eh, if what?
You
Say
have
it
to watch
again.
a Netflix show with me. Like I love a chick flick.
Your pick. Your pick, which
My
is
pick.
usually a chick flick.
Or cooking show.
Lord God, Tommy.
You how bad you want it?
You have stressed me out now. You know, so I need my ginger tea at morning time, people. To back me up. One chick flick can't hurt. Alright. Which one do I get? Which one I forget? Which one you usually get? Which one have the tea on I usually get?
Oh, and I have rice crackers on here.
Who said about rice crackers?
Oh, I didn't need rice. It's because it was rice crackers. So
Two
I can put
rice,
back the rice.
two rice right down.
Where?
Rice.
Oh, it's true.
Rice. She not used to listen to people. She don't used to listen.
Which tissue say what? Because people, Wayne has been complaining about the tissue.
Yes, people.
Him said the tissue goes so, poof.
Yes, that tissue never big issue. She buy a tissue where never big issue because it does explode so poof.
What do you mean it explode? I don't
What?
understand that.
It just mash up, mashy.
I don't understand.
It don't make no sense to me.
Guys, it's always the expensive one that he complains about.
No, that one is not
Him like
expensive
the,
to me.
him
Me
like
and it
the
not
cheap
agree.
toilet paper.
Me and it don't agree.
So cheap it is. But as for me and my house,
Just don't buy back that one there. And everything expensive are the best.
this is on the list.
What if on the list? What if on the list?
Steel, what am I put? Steel Scotch Brite, see there?
You just put that.
No, I did not. That was on there.
Or there at the top. Or just conveniently there at the top.
Look back at the video.
Trust it for now.
Okay, this one is tricky because
Alright people, we have a short kiss. We have one for you. We have one for you. She said we need cat food.
This is tricky. We do need cat food.
Alright, and it's not on the list.
But
Come, we have a short kiss.
no.
A new one would be
It's
eminent.
not, but wait, this is not a want, this is a must-have. It's a need.
Yeah man.
I'm just saying it's a need.
Yeah man. Just like what MTM need to see we kiss.
Oh, the cat I got stop.
Just a walk nice and gentle. I'm so
Oh,
confident.
wait,
Alright, let's do
look at
this.
his hair.
Hold on. I'm flipping the camera.
This
Wait.
is so weird.
Alright. Take off your mask.
I'm too
Take
ashamed.
off your mask
I'm
right now.
ashamed.
Take off your mask right now.
Okay, fine.
No.
You have to put on my mask in here.
No,
You have
come
to put
on.
on me.
That more better.
Where you kiss her?
Hollywood kiss.
That fool.
I want to. You don't know about Hollywood kiss.
Poncho, is what I had to do for you?
What is it? Nugget and fries.
Okay.
Mince.
Oh, I didn't get detergent.
Is it urgent? What is it?
I need a little strawberries for my smoothie.
Why, may I tell you, the best thing you do when you call again. Come,
Wait, there are people around us.
I don't care.
Maybe I don't need the strawberries.
No man, you need it man. Watch her look people. You tell her that she's shaming up. Hold on. And we one day another corner, come. Like he's still never really so taking up. And we're going out the car again if we'll give him back that one day.
Whatever.
It's done?
Done.
All the fun done?
Done. I will both agreed on a green juice. To boost our vibes.
Facts.
So no
What should I say? Vax. Yeah, real Chinese, you know, always I look for a bargain and a deal, you know.
Thank you, Miss Effie. God bless you.
Miss Effie, a real Chinese, you always I look for a bargain.
Effie said, well, you want for $100.
You understand?
Thanks,
Bless.
Effie. My friend. Thank you. Sean, we're gone. It's alright. Anything you say?
Yeah. Jackson is playing the piano right now. Alright, so hold on. Wait, dude, you jump the gun. 1, 2, 3. What you doing? Where you at? Oh, you got plans. Don't say that. I'm sipping wine in a robe. I look too good to be alone. My house clean, pool warm, smooth like a newborn. We should be dancing, romancing in the east wing and the west wing. Imagine what's happening. And then the E is a I'm playing no games, everyone is the same.
Wait, are you playing 3? Like, is it this, and this?
It's this, and this. Eh? I teach him a song. I'm going good people.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
I have always been afraid of changes, but you show me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places, but we were young and unaware.
Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day.